Understanding the bowling approach in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, the bowling approach. This term can be quite intriguing, especially for those who are learning English as a second language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, bowling approach, is a metaphorical expression. It is derived from the sport of bowling, where the player aims to hit as many pins as possible with a bowling ball. In a broader sense, this phrase is used to describe a method or way of doing something where someone goes straight to the point or target, without any hesitation or deviation. It suggests a direct, focused, and straightforward way of handling a task or situation. While the bowling approach is not an everyday phrase, it can be used in various contexts. For example, in a business meeting, if someone says, "Let's take a bowling approach to this project," it means they want to tackle the project directly and efficiently, without getting sidetracked. It's all about being goal-oriented and focused. 1. In a meeting, we need a bowling approach to solve this issue quickly and effectively. 2. Planning a project. Let's adopt a bowling approach to meet our deadlines. 3. In personal goals, I'm taking a bowling approach to learning Spanish, focusing only on conversational skills first. The bowling approach is a great phrase to add to your English vocabulary. It signifies being direct, focused, and efficient in whatever you do. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is a fun language to learn, and phrases like these make it even more interesting. Happy learning!